Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you all are good and doing well. So, in the last lecture, we asked Claude to install Tailwind CSS into our project and create header and footer partial in the project. Okay, and here you can see we have this very simple header and the blank landing page and a very simple footer. Now, in this lecture, we will give a prompt to Claude so that it will create a impressive landing page for us and for that we need to describe some idea about our application. I mean, what our application is going to do and what our application is about. Okay, and I have already prepared the prompt just to save the time. So here is my prompt, and the prompt says that I have created this application for the following purpose. User can authenticate on the application and can create their stories by just giving their prompts. The system will read the user prompts, and based on the prompt it will create a story for them. User can ask system to enhance their story as well, and also they can generate prompts for the key scenes of their story. Based on the above description, I need you to customize my landing page, the template I'm using to display on the root page. Also, you need to do some work on header and footer partial so that the navigation also looks like relevant to the application. And the final comment that overall the landing page must be impressive enough to tell visiting users that what this application about. Okay, so let's copy this prompt. Okay, and we will paste this prompt on our Claude terminal. So let's go to the terminal, and here you can see that this is our Claude terminal is open now. Let's paste this text here. Okay, and wait for the Claude processing. Okay, so the Claude is reading our text and thinking with high effort. So it need to just it just need to go through the prompt that we have provided and the idea that our app is need to do. So now it is reading the file that it needs to change, and here you can see it is counting the time like 25 seconds and the tokens that it has used so far. Okay, so now the look at the Claude response, good picture of the current state. Here you can see before approving, I will now rebuild the header, footer and landing page from scratch and also update the layouts so page can go full width. All three files can be written to the partial parallel. Okay, so here you can see this is our header that Cloud is going to change. So you can see that this is the code that Cloud is making change to our header. So now you need to review this, and if you are happy with that, you can just say yes and keep saying yes to it. Okay, now you can see that it has changed the now index.html.trb from home controller, which is basically our landing page. Okay, so you can just go through this like what it is doing. So it has added some section elements and using some text area sorry some text input as well. Okay, and now let's override this html. Okay, and here you can see it has used 6.3k tokens so far. Okay, and now it has also changed the styles of the main container of the layout html. So say this yes as well. Okay, and sometimes if you think like reviewing the entire code is not especially if it is front end, because when it generates the html it can be very huge file or very huge code to review. So what you can do, you can simply say yes and look at the page that it is reference to or what you are seeing on the browser. Based upon then you can customize or you can instruct Claude further to make the improvement into that. Okay, and now it is building this Tailwind css again. So let's proceed. Okay, okay, so here you can see all done. Here is what was built across every file. So let's finish it first. Okay, so it is header.html. So sticky white navbar with a book svg icon beside the story maker brand. Nav links features on how it works, smooth scrolling anchors and auth buttons, sign in text and get started. Okay, and landing page for full width section hero, purple gradient, beige label, beige. So it is what it has done. So you can say the features, how it works, cta banner and the footer changes as well. Okay, now what we need to do, since we already running bin dev, so we don't need to restart and restart our server. When we go to the browser, we just need to refresh our page, and we can see that this is what generated by the Claude. Okay, so now you can see our story maker landing page looks more better now. So here you can see, turn your ideas into captive storing and just describe what is in your mind. Story makers AI. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, login is not implemented yet, so yeah, this is fine. How, if you go to the how it works, so from idea to storage in three steps: create your account, enter your prompt, read, refine, and enjoy. Okay, so and if you go to the footer, you can see now our footer looks much better. Okay, because we have some content, and it looks like a professional web page. Okay, so what we did here, we just described that this is our my application and what it is about. So based upon that prompt, Claude has generated a impressive landing page, and now this landing page is looks much cleaner than the landing page we have till the last lecture. Okay, so now this is very impressive page. So this is how, if you have some, if you are creating some other application, what you can do, you can just summarize the idea behind your application and the purpose of your application, and based upon that purpose, you just need to give the prompt to the Claude, and then Claude will generate an impressive landing page for you. And if you still need some more modification, like for example, this gradient color should be something else, I mean, instead of this blue purple, you want some different color, you can guide Claude. And if you want to change the wording of the text, you can also instruct to the Claude. Okay, but for now I'm just keeping it as default, because our main concern is not the design of landing page. Our main focus is on to make this application feature rich, so that user can provide prompts and create their stories. Okay, but this is just to show that what we can do with Claude, and how much we can save our effort to design the basic front end and all. Because if you uh, skip the Claude from mind, and if you think that we have to create such a landing page with that hero gradient and this what we are doing, and how to create stories and this card and that footer, what you need to do, you need to write too much HTML, and that might take your couple of hours or 1 hour at least. Okay, but here what we did, we just prepared the prompt and gave it to the Cloud, and Claude has created it in just few seconds. Okay, so this is the main purpose of this lecture, that prepare your plan, describe the objective and purpose of your product or application or project, give it to the Claude, and Claude will design impressive landing page for you or impressive content for you. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. Now in the next lecture, we will start building the features slowly. So first we will add device authentication for users, and we will ask Claude to do that everything, and we will ask Claude to customize the device authentication pages using Tailwind CSS. Okay, so follow this lecture, and we will meet into the next one. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.